What AI can do versus what AI can't do. Well, AI is extremely powerful, but it is not magic. Today, I want to clarify and explain what AI can do and what AI can't do using real world example that everyone can relate to. Hi, I'm Avinash. If you are a student, working professional, or someone confused or worried about AI, this video will give you a clear picture and honest reality check. So let's understand what AI can do with example of Google Map. When you open Google Map, it can tell you the fastest route, avoid traffic, and even predict delays. AI is very good at analyzing huge amount of data, traffic pattern, location, time of day, and then finding the best possible option. AI work best when the problem is data driven and repeatable. Let's understand with another example like email spam filter. So another everyday example is email spam filtering. AI learns which emails are spam by looking at pattern, keywords, sender behavior, links, and past example. AI does not understand emails like human. It recognizes pattern from past data. That is why sometimes a genuine email still goes to spam. Well, let's take third example, Netflix or YouTube recommendation. Think about Netflix or YouTube recommendations. Like AI look at what you watch, how long you watch, and what you skip. Based on this data, AI predict what you might like next. AI predict behavior. It does not understand taste, emotion, or mood. Now let's understand what AI can't do, which is very important. So, first example is medical advice. So, AI can summarize medical information, symptoms, and reports, but AI cannot diagnose a patient. AI cannot feel pain. AI cannot take responsibility for a human life. AI can assist doctors, but it cannot replace human judgment and accountability. Let's understand with another example, ethical and legal decisions. AI can search legal document and summarize law, but AI cannot decide what is right or wrong. AI cannot understand ethics, values, or social consequences. I'll give you example of IT professional specific. So if you work in IT, you have probably seen monitoring tools. AI can detect anomalies, unusual pattern, and trigger alert. But AI does not understand business impact. AI does not decide the final action. AI tells you something is wrong, but human decide what to do. Another example is log analysis. So AI can analyze large log files and highlight pattern or errors. AI does not understand the full system context. That understanding comes from human experience. Let me give you a simple analogy. A calculator can calculate faster than humans, but calculator cannot decide what calculation is needed. AI is like a calculator for intelligence. It is extremely powerful, but human must decide the goal. AI is a tool, not a decision maker. The future is not AI versus humans. The future is human using AI wisely. People who understand AI will work better. People who blindly trust AI may make mistakes. So remember this: AI is powerful, but it has limits. Understanding these limits is what makes you stronger, not weaker. Well, which example surprised you the most? Comment below. I read and reply to the comment. Subscribe if you want to learn AI clearly, honestly, and step by step. Thank you.